Foods. They went for their factory acceptance test today. Hi there, Paul. So I know each plant faces daily challenges, on the production floor. What were some of the specific challenges that you faced that brought you to Frain in the first place?
Well, the product that you guys are setting us up for with this machine is a very new product for us, so we haven't done it before. And from my past experience from dealing with Frain, I've always had a very good work relationship with Frain, so I knew where to come and where to look for the proper machinery I needed. And I contacted some of the old contacts here, and of course I spoke with you many times, and you guys came through. I kind of knew the machine I was looking for, and you and Jim guided me in the right direction, and you came in, you set us up, and you did a very good job for us. We're really happy with it, especially today. I mean, we're walking out of here with smiles on our face today. I've already sent movies back to our sales department, so I told them I've accepted the equipment, and I think everything went really well.
Excellent.
Again, as usual, like this is not my first time dealing with Frain, and we will probably, well not probably, we will more than ever deal with Frain again in the future, because we've got very good luck with you guys. Great job. So.
Great, that's good to hear. And you said you knew what product it was. We'll just point out the machine here. You're running the Shanklin F5, and
this is a Shanklin F5, okay? I've had some experience with these in the past, and I knew I could do it, and I called up here and you guys had one. I said, well, can we try setting up for my product? And you and your helpers here and everybody at Frain was very, very helpful with us and getting us going here. Like I said, you came in and people were very, very explicit, showed us this, showed us that. I mean, I was like, it was a whole training course today again. It was really, really enjoyable.
A refresher course for you.
It was a refresher course, yeah, and I brought a couple of my people with me from my plant, and it was the first time they saw a machine like this, and they were very, very excited about it, and we look forward into future service with you guys.
Well, excellent. Well, thank you very much. We're glad everything went well with your factory acceptance test today.
And thank you very much for your help.
Thank you.